Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only D.B.L. in the house, a.k.a. Rainmaker, baby. And it's another episode of the ground shaking, earth breaking, rocket ships, whatever, doubles, whatever. Power Play, where we're sharing our custom scanners from the private Discord community of Banger Nation on stream so we could get ourselves ready for Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time through 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to see which stocks might have gasoline in the tank and be able to run again, or if something new pops up that we're going to be able to potentially trade in the afternoon. And while we go ahead and check out all this information on our custom scanners and use the search features for the news, press releases, filings, and much, much more, we'll also go ahead to the top right corner of the screen and take a look at our technical indicators to see what's going on with the stock, as well as do a little technical analysis, a little TNA, if you will. A little TNA, if you will. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then while we let these stocks marinate, because we still have an hour and a half before Power Hour, and it's still going to be a little slow, we'll go ahead and get a victory royale for the community. Because we got Batman with his college degree. He comes loudy, cum loudy, cum loudy. He's got the cum loudy thing around his neck over there, right? That's a degree, right? Cum laude, and if you're like the first person in the class, you get a cum laude, right? Cum laude, cum laude. What is it called? Cum laude. Cum laude, bro. No? I don't know, something like that. I don't know. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's a degree in college. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them degrees in college, bro. You know what I'm saying, doubles? You know what I'm talking about, doubles? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go take a look at ticker symbol ZYBT. Let's take a look at ticker symbol ZYBT. Let's go take a look at it. This ticker is currently up quite a bit. It's up 318%. First thing we're going to do is go to the custom scanner, and we could see that it's a 4 million float stock with 128 million in volume. The rotation of volume to float is extremely high. Why is that important? Because the volume is the demand for the stock, folks. Right? The volume is the demand for the stocks, ladies and gentlemen, and the float are the available shares for the stock. So if you have a significant discrepancy in size between the volume and the float, and the volume is much greater than the float, there's a much more greater chance that the stock is going to go parabolic, and that's in fact what's going on with this Chinese stock ZYBT, which is currently up 335%. Yes, sir. It's moving upward. It's moving upward. Let's refresh. Let's refresh the chart, because for some reason this chart doesn't seem to make any sense to me. There we go. There we go. Now it makes sense. The stock actually hit a high of $3.37. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated so we can see exactly what's going on. $3.37. 37 cents. Right over there is the high of day, and it's trying to recover. But there's certain things that need to be spoken about regarding this stock, doubles. Right? Let's take a look at this for a second. We can see that there are tremendous gaps, like over here, right over here, right here, right over here, and there's gaps over here, and so on and so forth. That indicates that there's a significant gap between the ask and the bid. What is the ask and the bid? Well, the ask is what traders are willing to sell their stocks at, right? So this is what the seller does, right? The seller creates the ask, right? Seller, right? Seller, all right, doubles? And the bid is what the buyers are willing to pay for the stock, doubles. Then that's the buyers, the buyers, the buyers. Ooh, look, I did a little script, bro. Buyers. It don't even, you can't even read it, bro. You can't even read it. Let me clear this out. So anyway, the bottom line is there's a huge gap between the two, and what makes this kind of challenging is that it causes situations where the price action jumps, right? So let's say, for example, you pay 337, but then all of a sudden the price collapses down to 294. So it makes this stock very challenging when there's not that much uh, when there's a huge gap between the bid and the ask, and basically it's a liquidity problem. So even though there's been a lot of volume, most of that volume happened down here, and most of the cleaning trading happened earlier in the daytime, whereas now the price action is quite extended. You can see that the 9 EMA is quite separated from the VWAP, and that's usually an indication that the price has to start to pull downward. You can also see that the RSI is oversold and that the RSI is starting to dip downward as well. So for the price to continue to go downward, that would not be a total surprise for me. But the bottom line is the stock has been very, very challenging to trade. So we'll see what happens, but if volume could come in, it would make this a much more uh, appetizing stock to trade, if you will. You know what I mean?
Yes,
Doubles.
yes.
Make it a little bit more appetizing. Now remember, folks, this is a show, so we're not giving you stock or financial advice. We're not stock or financial advisors. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own diligence. Your trades are your responsibility, and knowledge is power. Educate yourself. I could share with you what works for me, but what works for me doesn't necessarily work for you, right? So always keep educating yourself. That's the fair thing for me to say to you. All right, let's keep going. Folks, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney.
At Coaching Money.
At CoachNickMoney. Make sure you have your notifications on. Make sure you have your notifications on. Otherwise, if you don't have your notifications on, we're going to have to send Batman, Beach Batman, after you. All right, so set your notifications on. We have the Power Play show Monday through Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have the weekend edition of Power Play on Saturday, where we get our watch list ready for Monday, and that shows at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, in the mornings at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we got the Microcap Morning Show, hosted by my illustrious co-host, the one and only DB in the house, where he and the Serengeti specialist, the huntress of all things parabolic, the one, the only DB Moms, go out there and hunt for the parabolic runners pre-market into the opening bell of regular hours. So go ahead and follow on YouTube at CoachNickMoney.
At Coaching Money.
At CoachNickMoney, and set those notifications on. Okay, so that's the story with this particular ticker. We'll see what happens with it. We have another ticker that's been moving as well. Let's go to the custom scanners first from the private Discord community. That's where we always go to create our watch list, right? And we see that GMM has been moving this morning. So let's go take a look at GMM. And the first thing that we notice in the custom scanner is that this is a low float stock of 2 million shares. 2 million shares, and it had 16 million in volume. So the rotation is significant at 8x the volume to float rotation. And how do you come up with that? Real simple. If the volume is 16 million and the float is 2 million, it's 16 over 2, and you get an 8x rotation. That's how we come up with that. There's no mystery to it. It's pretty straightforward and simple. So the stock had a significant rotation. We generally want to see 4, 5, 6 times rotation volume to float on the bare minimum. The more the better usually. Okay, the stock's currently up 57%. And we have a good rotation volume to float type of situation. This too is a Chinese stock, so they tend to be very, very volatile. You'll see that the price can shoot up very quickly and then immediately reverse backwards, and that's exactly what's going on with this ticker, and there is no apparent news for it. It is forming what appears to be a potential pennant type of a formation, which would be considered a bullish type of signal, but again, this is all happening on very light volume, which makes it quite challenging, if you will. Now, while we're speaking about GMM, which is up 56%, ZYBT is going parabolic, cha-cha-cha, doubles. ZYBT is moving, and it continues to move up on relatively light volume at the moment. Look, you could see that the volume is low, and it is moving up. It's up 349%, 349%. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 100, folks. Let's go get it. Let's get it. And let me point out, before we keep going on, If you've been watching the series, Power Play, Microcap Mornings, and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it is full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list, which almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up running. Okay, like for example, we reported about on BIYA on Friday, and of course it ran parabolic pre-market this morning. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, pre-market scanners, regular hour scanners, and after-hour scanners. Float, volume, and catalyst context is built right into these scanners, and you'll see our ticker tape scanner, which was custom built by myself and DBL Nicks. When they're starting to heat up, you'll see the stocks. You'll catch the stocks when they're starting to heat up before they actually go parabolic. This isn't noise. It's how we find structure in the stock market. If that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And when you come in, let us know you saw us on the stream, folks. In addition to that, we have a limited time offer where you can get a nice discount if you decide to sign up for the 3-month package, which is the quarterly package that bills every 3 months. It gives you a nice little discount, and there is a link in the description and in the pinned comment for this limited time offer. It is limited, so it will be going away soon, if you will. So go ahead and take advantage of that one if that makes more sense for you. And of course, if you want to get swag and merch for the Banger Nation and you want to represent the Banger Nation, we got the link in the description and in the pinned comment for all kinds of merch. You want a t-shirt, we got it. You want a hoodie, we got it. You want a tumbler, we got it. You want a cup for your cup of joe, or as Doubles likes to call it, a cup and handle, we got that too. So go ahead and take advantage of all that stuff. The links are in the description and in the pinned comments. Bobo Beeps in the house. Bobo money. Bobo money, Bobo money. Bobo money, Bobo money, bro. Bobo money, Bobo money, bro. Bobo money. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Howdy, Lima Charlie. Roger that. And Bobo said, what's up, Marty? What's going on, baby? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Ha. Bobo, hope you're making some money. I hope you're relaxing, because I know you were working on that move over the weekend. I know you were. And I know that that's kind of an exhausting thing, working, carrying things, and so on and so forth. So hopefully that's all done, and you're doing great. Woo-wee. Right? How did I do? How did I do, Doubles? How did I do? How did I do? Marty said, hello, Bobo. What's up? What's up? What's up, eh? What's up, eh? All right. So that's the story so far. Let's go to another ticker symbol. Let's go to ADVB. Let's take a look at ADVB, Doubles. Let's take a look at ADVB. Let's go take a look at it. Let's go take a look at ADVB. Press enter. Now look, this is a stock that ran. Look at that. It ran on the 17th, right, Doubles? And then it ran, and then it came back down, and then it tried running again. Okay, so the company is trading higher after the company announced it delivered its notice to terminate its purchase agreement with Helena Global Investment Opportunities. Okay, so let's clear off some of the stuff that's going on the chart. Let's take a fresh look at what's happening. It created a triple top. It's currently up 49%. First things first, we're going to go to the custom scanners that we're sharing from the private Discord. We can see it's a 1 million float stock with 35 million in volume. So the rotation of volume to float is quite high and significant. But what we notice over here is that there is a triple top over here, and over here. But more importantly, look at the drop on this particular top right here. That is very disconcerting. When I see stuff like that, it really scares me. This stock is from a company that is in Taiwan. We could see the flush that occurred after the triple top. The volume weighted average graffiti pencil activated is at $7.87, and the price action currently is below that, and it continues to point downward, as does the RSI. So both of these indicators are indicating a very bearish type of a setup. And obviously, because we're still way before power hour, an hour and 15 minutes before power hour, the volume candles are low. So what we were going to be looking for is we want to see a curl of the RSI if it's possible, an increase in volume candles over here, and more importantly, we want to see a challenge to the volume weighted average at $7.87, which would require the price action to curl back up. But right now, it's still in that downward trajectory, so it don't look too healthy at the moment, doubles.
No,
At the moment, doubles. Let's go take a look at ZYBT. Let's take a look at ZYBT, which is now pushing upward, and it will be challenging potentially the high of day. The high of day was $3.37. The current price action is at $3.30. So will we get a break of this resistance area? Will we get a break of the resistance area? That is the question that everyone wants to know. Let's go to a longer time frame and see what things look like. So we can see that this is a brand new high of day, right? Now here's the thing. If the price action can continue to push upward, this would be blue sky territory. But here's the problem with blue sky territory. Number one, the stock has no basic news. Number two, it's a Chinese stock which tends to be very volatile to begin with. So I can't really put too much weight into the fact that this is potential blue skies, right? I can't do it. However, that being said, it is a 4 million float stock, and it does have volume of 130 million. I don't see any news justifying it, and the stock is up 372%, and most of the other stocks are not really moving terribly well. So a break of this high, previous high a day, could potentially catapult the price action upward. However, we see that the RSI is heating up, and the other thing that we notice is that, in fact, on the custom scan, on the chart, we can see that the volume candles are still relatively low, and we still have a whopping 1 hour and 13 minutes before the power hour. So we'll have to see what happens, but clearly this is the stock that's getting the most attention, but it's certainly not necessarily an easy stock to trade because of the price action. Again, I am very concerned of situations where you have lack of liquidity when the bid and ask create such massive separations between, or gaps, if you will, between the various candles. But we will keep an eye on it because it is the leading gainer, and it is up currently 372%, and it looks like it halted. So we'll have to wait for it to restart again and see what kind of activity we get out of it. Let's take a look at ticker symbol IREG. IREG. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's take a look at it, I tell ya. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Please hold, I tell ya. All right, so this particular ticker is an ETF, so we're going to skip this one. Let me take a look at IRE, see what kind of a security that is. That's also an ETF. So I'm gonna avoid the ETFs. There's not a heck of a lot of tickers moving today. You had a lot of news going on, a lot of activity in the Middle East, which is causing, I would suggest, a liquidity issue, right? A little bit of a liquidity issue. When you got bombs flying, liquidity kind of gets a little unliquid, right? Unliquid?
Yeah.
Deliquified.
Deliquified.
Be liquefied, you know what I mean? So we'll have to see what happens. We will have to see what happens. I want to see if NASA's playing. You know, I want to get NASA in here if he is playing. You know, doubles.
I know somebody was trying to get a hold of you earlier.
Somebody was trying to get a hold of me earlier? Really? Who was trying to get a hold of me earlier?
What's his face?
Hover?
No, he's friends with Chronic.
Copper?
Blake?
Blake, yeah, Blake, yes. I don't see him on. That was much earlier.
Yeah, it was about
Okay. Well, anyway, I sent a message out to our boy NASA, see if he's going to be around. Folks, played a little bit of scrims in customs yesterday, and man, I played with some really good players, dude.
Oh yeah, I heard.
NASA and 2 other fellas. Man, we won 5 straight matches, bro. And let me tell you something. I am not a slouch, but these guys were even better than me. Even better than the coach. You know what I'm saying? Doubles.
Yay.
Yeah. 5 victories in a row. And then the day before that, 2 days before that. Yeah, the 2 days before and the day before that, I tried my hands at zero bill, bro. 13 game winning streak. 13 game winning streak. I'm just saying, bro. I mean, I don't wanna brag or nothing, but that's pretty good. Getting some victory royales for the community. Yes, sir. Off stream, of course. But we're gonna have to create some shorts of that, so the folks can see all the victory royales that I'm getting for the community, for the Banger Nation. The Banger Nation. Make sure you're following us on X.com as well at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, and of course, we're on Twitch at CoachNickMoney. And we're on the TikTok at DBLNicks. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Money. Batman. Beach body Batman. All right, I've had enough of beach. Ooh, look at that. I got a vehicle, bro. I got the Hyundai Ioniq 6. I can't even pronounce that, bro. But I got the vehicle. I'm just saying, I got it, bro. I got the vehicle. All right, you know who I want to get? I want to get Harley Quinn, bro. Harley Quinn. Because she cray, bro. She cray. That's Harlow. This is Harley. Yes, sir. Can I edit the style? Let's see. What's the difference? I don't understand, doubles. Oh, this is like jeans, and this is not jeans? Is that what's going on? And this is like sunglasses. This is not sunglasses. This is glasses up, glasses off, glasses up. That's what I want. Boom. Like that, bruh. Like that. Harlequin, bruh. High Tide Harley, they call her. High Tide Harley. Part of the Gotham City Somerset, introduced in Chapter 7, Season 3, which is the current season. Harley Quinn. Yo, you need to get some suntan lotion on you, girl. We don't want you to burn. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Look at that. She's ready to go into the Battle Royale realm to get a victory royale for the community, which we're going to do momentarily. But for now, before we do that, let's take a look at ticker symbol WETO. And we can see that there's not a heck of a lot of volume. When we look at the custom scanners, we can see that this is a 66 million float stock. It's a heavy floated stock. It's a cheap stock at 89 cents. So again, we could always forgive the heavy float, but I'm not going to forgive the heavy float when you only got 63 million in volume. Yes, you're up 29%, but look at how sparsely populated these candles are, which makes it very difficult because there's a lack of liquidity. RSI is moving upward. I don't know. Doubles. I mean, it's moving up, but it don't look like it's safe. You know what I mean? I don't know. What is it? We Tour Robotics Limited? I don't know. We'll see what happens. What's going on with WLFC? WLFC. Let's take a look at it. And this one, I don't know, doubles. It's $190. I don't know why it's even on the scanner. It's an expensive stock. Let's ignore it. It's just too much money. I tell you, doubles. Too much. Let's go back to ZYBT. That seems to be the one. Look at that. It challenged the $3.37. It resumed on there, and it went up to about $3.50 and then pulled back. So we'll keep an eye on this. Looks like it's halted again. We're going to keep an eye on ZYBT. It is a Chinese stock. It's a risky stock, but we're going to look at it because it's the leading gainer, doubles. It's the leading gainer. Let's get a share party. We're at 229, folks. Let's go for 300. And in the interim, I think it's time to get a Sprite on, bruh. Let's get a Sprite on, doubles. What do you say? What do you think? Would it be inappropriate? Doubles, I'm going to ask a question for a friend. Oh, where my Sprites at, bruh? Where's my Sprite at, bruh? What's going on here? Where's my Sprites? Come on now. I need my Sprite. All right, let's try that again. I'm going to ask a question, right? We got Harley Quinn as the character that we're going to be using, right? Huh? Right? Would it be inappropriate to put Batman on her back? I'm just asking for a friend.
Who?
Harley Quinn is who I'm gonna be, bro.
I know that.
All right. So my question is, would it be inappropriate to put Batman on her back? You see, Batman.
I don't see why not.
Because I mean, you know, having Batman on your back if you're Harley Quinn could be problematic. I would think, right? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm asking for a friend.
It depends on the day nowadays.
I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm just asking. See, the issue is though, I already leveled up my little spritey poo over here, bro. He's already leveled up, bro. Oh, by the way, they got Pollo, bro. They got Pollo, bro. Pollo. You know, Peter Bot's partner. They got him as a sprite, bro. For real, Pharrell. For real, Pharrell. Let me ask you a question. Should I do something with this gold demon sprite? Siphon some health and shield. I don't know, man. Which one should I? I want to elevate these guys, bro.
What do you have a feeling for?
I don't know. Ooh. How about this one right here? How about him?
Alright.
How about him? I say. Hold the foil, striker sprite. Gain the overdrive effect when you mantle hurdle or wall scramble. I'm thinking about maybe him, right? Maybe. What's this fella right here? What's this guy do? Galaxy Aura. Gain a shock rock charge when you deal enough damage to... Ooh. Oh, dude, I heard this one is off the hook. The air sprite increases sprinting speed, sprinting jump height, and also nullifies fall damage. Let's go! Let's go! Ooh, ooh. I think that's the one we're going to do, doubles. Look, and he's tired, bro. Wake up, little puffy boy, little puffy marshmallow. Come on now. Wake up now. Wake up. Don't be sad that I woke you up. Come on now. Let's equip this fella. Let's get it done, doubles. What do you think? Let's go for that victory royale for the community. While we let these stock cook a little bit, we could see that ZYBT has formed a bearish double top. ZYBT has formed a bearish double top.
ZYBT.
So this could potentially be a pullback type of situation, which would not surprise me in light of the fact that you got this much of a gap between the 9 EMA and the VWAPA, the VWAPA. All right, let's go for the victory royale for the community. Huh. Who sounds like that, bro? Isn't that the wrestler, Macho Man Savage?
No,
victory royale for the community.
Nah, he sounds like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So who makes that sound then? A victory royale for the community.
I don't know.
That would be CoachNickMoney, bro. That would be yours truly, bro. The Coachmeister General. Huh. But I feel like I got some inspiration from Randy Savage. I feel it, bro. Right? A little bit, a little something from Randy. Man, he was Randy, I tell you. He was a Randy fella. Doubles. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 420 for the memes. We're at 314 right now. Let's get that victory royale for the community. Is anybody stalking me because of my little plush little sprite? Anybody stalking me? Get away from me. I'm Harley Quinn. Get away from me. I'm in my bathing suit. Get away from me.
I don't think you being Harley Quinn.
What happened?
You're Harley Quinn in a bikini. I don't think it's gonna really deter them.
Bro, but she's got a sword, bro.
That doesn't matter.
She's got a sword, bro. Yo, she looks like one of...
Some guys are into that.
Bro, she looks a little bit like the those ice cones, right? The red and blue ice cones, bro, right? With the bathing suit, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? And she's paler too. Like she's paler, so she's got red, white, and blue all over her, bro. Just like them ice shavings, if you will. Shavings, I tell ya. Come on now, let's get that victory royale for the community. Let's get it, doubles, right? All right, I'm feeling ornery. I'm gonna have to lock in, though. I gotta get serious for a second. First things first, a little cafe. Little coffee. Woo! Shot the gun, baby. Let's go, baby. Ooh, another shot the gun. All right. AR, baby, give it to me. Pistola, no problemo. I can do that too. Why not? Oh, buddy. Get out of here, fella. Get out of here, fella. Woo! Woo! Where you at? Where you at? Where's the beef? for the community. Get out of here. What are you? Whoa! What are you doing? You turkey roll? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing over here? What are you doing? Where's the other turkey roll? Where are you? Where are you? Ooh-wee. I'm out of ammo, bro. Get out of town, fella! Bing bong! Ring the bell, doubles! Ring it, bruh! Ring it! Ring it good! Da 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 da. Oh! I hurt you so hard! I hurt you so hard, I tell ya! I hurt him, bruh! Poor fella! Oh, migration. I heard somebody bouncing over here, bro. I heard somebody bouncing. What's going on, fella? What's going on, fella? Woo! What, bro? What's going on, fella? A lot of dudes over here, bro. What's going on? A lot of dudes over here, bruh. Man, I didn't expect all this going on over here, bro. You know?
Yeah.
I don't know where this guy's at. He's hiding, bro. We gonna leave, bro. We just gonna leave, son. You know what I mean, bro? We're gonna leave over here. You know what I mean, doubles? What do you think? We leave? What the heck is that noise, bro? Oh, this is a creature, bro. Alright, bad. Bad. You know what, doubles? I got mats. I'm going back. Nah. I'm going back, bro. My famous last words, right, bro? I'm going back. I need my ducky, bro. I need my ducky. My ducky? Where's the ducky? Where's the ducky at? Medkit, come on. Ooh, I like that, bro. I like that thing right there, bro. Where's the duck, doubles? Where's the duck, bro? El Duque. Where is the Duque? Look at this. I eliminated this fella right. Oh, my health doubles. Good call, bro. Good call, bro. Oh, migration. Migration, bro. Where's the duckies, bro? Did somebody take the duckies? Somebody might have already gotten the duck, bro. Yep. I think somebody already took the duck. No. Man, for real, bro? Oh, man. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Did I miss the duck? No, no. No. No ducky. Bro, no ducky over here. No ducky over there. Come on now. For real, bro? Come on. Did I miss the duck, bro? Nothing over here. Nothing over there. Oh well. Maybe I missed the ducky, bruh. That's alright. I got my med kit. My med kit! I got it. I got my med kit, bro. I got it. Ooh, med kit, med kit. Ooh, med kit, bro. Ooh, wee, bro. Oh, look at that. Pop rocks, bro. Pop rocks. Yo, man. Too bad I didn't get that thing at the bottom, bro. You know? I gotta pop my med kit, bro. Med kit! Med kit! Pop it. Pop the med kit, bro. Right? Med kit. Give me another med. Ooh, booties, bro. Maybe I carry these booties, bro. They could be helpful, right, doubles? Right? Wow, wow, doubles, wow, wow, doubles, wow. Alright, alright. I don't know, man. I'm a little annoyed right now, doubles. I'm not gonna lie to you. I expected to be able to get myself some nice little stuff in here, bro, you know? You know, doubles, I was expecting to get some good stuff. You feel me, doubles? You know. What happened? It's the air sprite, bro. It's pretty OP, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. No. The air sprite's very good, bro. Very good. No, if I do, I definitely do not mean it, bro. There we go. Now I'm ready to go. I was waiting to like get myself. Look at that, bro. You see it? It's cray, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Oh my goodness gracious. My goodness, bro. My goodness, bro. You know what? I'm gonna get all of them. I'm gonna get all of these guys. I'm just saying, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna get all of them, bro. All right, 1, 2. Pop it. I'm gonna pop it, bro. Pop it. I don't know. Don't bother me, doubles. Don't tell me what to do, okay? I'm tired of your nonsense, son. I'm tired of it, okay? Okay, doubles, okay. Woo, baby! I got me a bunch of sprites, bro. And I'm gonna rock the pistola, bro, right now. I'm gonna rock the pistola. Because we got it like that. NASA! What's up, baby? What's going on, brother? You wanna jump in? Let me know if you wanna join the festivities of Fortnite, bro. Let me know on Twitch. My boy NASA, my teammate from yesterday, he was so kind to invite me to the party. And we got ourselves 5 victory royales. And let me tell you something, that scrim customs match was kind of, how should I put it, doubles? Challenging, bro. It was challenging, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. A little challenging, doubles. A little challenging. All right, let's get this stuff done, bro. 1, 2, 3. Let's get out of here, bro. Let's go, bro. Pop this little fella. Oh, pop it. Pop it. Hope you're doing well, NASA. I'll probably join in 15-20 minutes since I got to do some things before I get on. You got it, bro. I'll go over some stocks and then get you in here. Yes, sir. All right. Medkit over. Oh, medkit's over here. We need that. Ooh, shotgun. Look, bro. Everything worked out perfectly. There you go, bro. There you go, bro. There you go, bro. There's the beef right there, bro. The beef is right there, bro. Alright. Everything worked out pretty good, doubles. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you. Everything worked out kind of schmazzy, you know? Kind of schmazzy. Yippers, I say. Alright, this worked out pretty good. No problemo right there, bro. Ooh-wee. Doubles. Double X, bro. Double X, bro. Ooh, let's get that little fella in there, bro. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, give me some more of that. All right, I don't want that. I need one of these little fellas right here, bro. You see, like that, doubles. You know what I mean? Now I'm good to go. You see? Now where are we going? All right, we should probably like keep looting. I would say. What do you think, Doubles, huh?
Yeah.
They don't have any of those little pop rocks, do they? No paparacas. No paparacas. Okay, all right. Dude, those pop rocks are the joint. They're so good. They're so good, Doubles. The pop rocks, you know? Oh my God, this is so good, bro. They really, really are. All right, let's go in here. Let's do a little bit of this. Might as well keep looting. Why not? Why not? Woo-woo. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Oof. Oof. Doubles. Oof. Doubles. Right, let's get this started. Let's get this party started, right? Let's get it started quickly. Right? Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Let's go, baby. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, I tell you. Come on, Harlequin. Get me that victory royale for the community. All right. We got 6 enemies, folks. We got 6 enemies. We're watching ZYBT try to break the resistance at around $3.40. Sensa. Yes, sir. Sensa. Did I mention Sensa, Doubles?
Sensa.
Doubles, do you think this is going to be a battle bus victory royale, or do you think this is going to be like a regular victory royale? What do you think, Doubles? Tell me the truth.
I think it'll be...
There's people up top fighting, bro.
I don't see the bus yet, so probably...
No, I mean, but it would be too early for the bus, bro. Mm-hmm. Doubles, did I mention that GMM is also up 66%? Low float, high volume. GMM up 66%. Procenta. Yes, sir. Europe. All right. Where you at? Come on. 5 enemies left, Doubles. Doubles. ZYBT halted again, up 388%. Halted again. 388%. All right, let's move. Let's move, bro. I got somebody on me, bro. Oh, the battle bus, bro. The battle bus, bro. You gotta move, bro. It's gonna be a battle bus, bro. Let's go, baby. Battle bus. Where the battle bus at, bro? Where the battle bus at, bro? The battle bus is right over here somewhere, bro. Oh my goodness, look at that. 23 seconds, bro. Let's go. Let's get it. The victory royale for the Banger Nation! The Banger Nation, bruh! The Banger Nation Battle Royale! Victory Royale for the community! For the community! For the Banger Nation! The Banger Nation! Oh, migration doubles! Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at that! For the community, the Banger Nation deserves it, requires it, and has received it from the coach with pleasure. With pleasure, my friend. Doubles with pleasure. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Victory royale for the community. Let's get a share party going on, baby. Victor Romeo Bobo. Because we got it like that. You got it like that? We got it like that. Check it out. Ooh, ooh. And she didn't even get a sunburn on the island. Come on, Harley Quinn. Go, baby, go. She's so patriotic. She's red, white, and blue, bro. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Show the Banger Nation what's going on. You got the victory royale for the community. And the evildoer tried to throw me off the bus.
I saw that.
Huh. Didn't they? They can't do that, bro. They can't do that. Bruh. Yeah. Tried to throw me off the bus, bruh.
You almost shot him.
Oh my gracious, doubles.
You almost bing-bonged.
Let's look at it from the evildoer's perspective, shall we?
I saw your bullet go right into his face, and then
and no damage.
No. I saw it go right into his face, and then the battle bus finally let you guys in.
Oh, is that what happened?
Just the bullet went BAP! Right in his head.
And it didn't eliminate him, man.
Well, because
the bus started to leave.
He got saved by the bell.
He definitely got saved by the bell. Let's go take a look at the evildoer and see exactly what the evildoer was trying to do to poor Harley Quinn, who struggled and fought and made sure we got the victory royale for the community, doubles. A victory royale for the community.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out, doubles. Let's go to the replay. Let's go to the replay. Because we got that victory royale for the community.
Yay.
Doubles, we're up to 18% win ratio on the build side, bruh. Soon to be 20%. You know we got 33% on the zero build. You know that, right?
Oh yeah.
You know that, right?
Oh yeah.
You know that, right?
Oh yeah.
You know that's what we're doing. You know that. You know it, baby. You know it. All right, let's go take a look at the replay and see what that evildoer tried to do to the coach. Tried, I tell you, but it did not succeed at all, bro. Nah. Hey, how come I only had wait? Is it true that I only had one elimination that game? Impossible. Didn't I eliminate a bunch of people in the beginning of the game?
I don't remember.
I did, bro. There was like a bunch of people battling me, unless somebody was like third partying me. Was somebody third partying me? I gotta check that out, doubles. I'm wondering if there was a third party involved in taking people out behind my back. I wonder. I don't think so. I could have sworn I had 2 or 3 eliminations. No, right, doubles? Look, bro. Look. Wait. Is this the right match? This is the right match, right? What? Wait a minute. What is this? Victor Romeo, Night Rogue. What's up, eh? What's up, eh? Why does it look like this, bro? This don't look right, bro. What's going on here, bro? This don't look right, bro. What the heck's going on? What's wrong with this replay, doubles? Doubles!
What?
What's wrong with this replay? The replay don't look right, bro. Oh, okay. Now it looks copacetic, bro. Copacetic, bro. All right.
Try turning it off and on again.
I did, bro. I did. There we go. Here we go. All right. Now we got it. They were evildoers. Look, this side up, this guy was definitely an elimination right there. An elimination.
He was BYND.
Bobo on YouTube says, "What's up, Rogue on YouTube? What's up? What's up, eh?" All right, so we got one elimination right there. Now, there's an evildoer over here. Hold on, please hold. Another evildoer over there. Oh, look, it's Poison Ivy. Poison Ivy, I tell you. Yeah.
Poison Ivy.
Pepper Taxi, bro. Pepper Taxi, bro. The coach. All right. What is this person called? Wander Agent. Look. That was me. I eliminated that one, right? Yeah. So that's 2 right there. So why is it showing only 1 elimination? That's 2 right there, bro. And I know I had more than that. Because this creature came into the picture. This was Numero Trace right here, bro. It was Harley Quinn versus the other evildoer. The evildoer right there, bro. Oh, wait. Did I not eliminate this one? Did I not eliminate her? I did, bro. Could have sworn I did, bro. Bruh. Come on now. Come on, bro. I had to have eliminated them. Mind you, I didn't even shield up, bro. Imagine that. I didn't even shield up, bro. Come on now. Come on. What's the name? Jasser. Come on, Jasser. Come over here so I can defeat you. Come on. I'm gonna give you a lead sandwich with mustard on top, bruh. Bada banger. Right? That was my elimination, right? Yeah, I eliminated you. And then there was another creature over here that was like Master Julio over here. Master Julio. No, this is not him. No. Did this guy come and push me? He did, right? This is the guy that came and pushed me, bro. Master Julio over here. Homer Simpson, bro. Yeah, so he didn't shoot them. I don't think he shot that person. I think it was me that shot him. Don't tell me this guy stole my kills, bro. Did he steal my kills, bro? Did Homer Simpson steal my kills, bro? For real? Look at that. He didn't want none. He just kept going, bro. Nah, bro. Go climb a tree, bro. Get out of here, bro. Come on now. Anyway, we know we had 3 eliminations in the beginning of the game. Right? Let's go to the end game and see what that evildoer tried to do. Let's analyze the situation over here before we got the victory royale for the Banger Nation. Night Rogue says, "What's up, Bobo?" All right, now this is important. I got myself my pop rocks because it gives me elevation. You understand? And mobility. Did you know that it's hard for people to see above them in this game? Because they're not concentrating on above. They're concentrating around. You know what I mean? That's why I got the pop rocks, bruh. You might say, well, why did you go into the storm? I went into the storm to get the pop rocks to get speed and height. Height is more important than the speed because they don't see you coming, doubles. Can you feel me? Can you understand the strategy?
Yes.
I'm just telling you how I plan to get that victory royale for the community. Let's go take a look at these evildoers. Let's take a look at them. This is one of the evildoers on the bus, bro. This is another one. Look, this one's trying to snipe the person on the bus, but there's a bubble shield, you see?
Yeah,
A bubble shield.
That guy's a real honest.
All right, now this is the coach. This is the coach getting ready to get a victory royale for the community. You can see that the pop rock has been activated. I got one more pop rock available in case something goes south. And there goes the evildoer trying to prevent me from getting on the bus. But I got on the bus. Got on the bus. Look. Impulsed me off the bus, bro. Impulsed me off the bus, thinking that they're going to get the victory royale for the community. Bro, I did shoot him. I did shoot him. No, he didn't die, bro. Did he? Wait. Hold on.
I saw the striker, bro.
Hold on. Maybe I did eliminate him. I don't know, bro. I don't know. No, he made it. He made it, bro. Hold on. Please hold. Let's check this one more time. Let's check it one more time. Come on. Right. This is when he. Oh, I hit him, bro. I hit him. Did you see the damage he took when I hit him? And then he impulsed him. impulse to try to keep me from taking the victory royale. Then I hit him again, bro. But it was too late. It was too late. The bus had already left. We got Urshad on Twitter asking about ADVB. He wants us to check it out. Let's go take a look at it. Let's take a look at ticker symbol ABVB. Let's take a look at ABVB. Wait, did I say that right? Hold on. ADVB. That's what I meant to say. Come on now. Get rid of that extra A. There we go. All right, so here's the situation. It triple topped. Let's get out of this right now. Hold on. Please hold. Return to lobby. ADVB. Yep, got it. Okay. So it triple topped. You could see that it formed a triple top, which is a bear reversal pattern, and then sold off. The volume weighted average is at 786. The price is below 786. So what we need to see is the price start to curl upward and move to the volume weighted average of 786 and then break through it and continue to push upward. Resistance is going to be significant if it does curl up at around $7.86 because it's the volume weighted average. We see that the volume candles are diminishing. That makes sense because we still have 34 minutes before the power hour. And we also see that the RSI continues to push downward and indicates that it is in a cycle where it is bearish at the moment. So what we're going to be looking for is a swing upward from the RSI pushing upward. That would signal that this downward trend is over, and also a push in volume candles moving upward and the 9 EMA curling up and challenging the VWAP. So once we see that challenge, that could give us confirmation that the stock might be ready to do another leg up. But it's still on that downward trajectory. But the good news is we still have 33 minutes before power hour. More volume will come into the market at that point, and hopefully when more volume comes into the market at that point, we will be in a situation where maybe it can do a round 2. That's what we're hoping for. And I hope you make a lot of money, my friend. I hope you make a lot of money. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 700. We're at 681, folks. Let's go to 700. We just got that victory royale for the community, Doubles. Now, I got to tell you, Doubles, I have an issue with the battle bus victory. I got an issue with the battle bus victory in the battle royale. I mean, I don't mind getting a victory, but it feels unsatisfying. You know what I mean? It feels like low calorie ice cream. You know, it doesn't have the full flavor of a real victory royale. You know what I mean? I prefer the real victory royale. I'll take the battle bus victory royale. I'll take it. I tell you. For the Banger Nation, anything. My boy Urshad said, please, I want the money. I hear you, my brother. I don't have any control over that, but I hope a lot of volume comes in, and I hope that it brings it right to your stock, and I hope you make a lot of money. And then you can go on the beach and get yourself a nice little suntan with a little pina colada. Of course, non-alcoholic, of course, you know. Unless you're into that kind of stuff, you know. Yeah, you know what I mean? Maybe you might be into a little pina colada. I don't know. You know what I mean? A little pina colada. And walking in the rain. I'm not into walking in the rain, bro. I could do the pina colada, but I'm not into walking into the rain. I'm not, bro. Cold. Nah, bro. I don't like walking in the rain. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right. Let's go to the next stock. Let's take a look at what ZYBT is doing. ZYBT, this was the leading gainer, ZYBT, and it did reach a high of $3.79. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, and you can see it hit 379. It did break the previous high of $3.37, but then it retracted below, and now that 337 acts as resistance. So was that a false breakout, or does this continue to trend upward? Look at the distance between the 9 EMA and the VWAP. VWAP. Look at how the price action continues to hover in the overbought area. So will this burn out and pull downward, or will it continue to push upward? We will see. The stock is currently up 386 cents, and it is halting a lot. Halting often takes a lot of the momentum out of these stocks, right? Because it's halted, obviously, but more importantly, it kind of like oftentimes pushes interest into other stocks. Let's take a look at LVLU. LVLU. Let's take a look at it. LVLU. This stock is currently up 31%, and you can see that it is moving on very light volume. Let's go to the custom scanners from the private Discord. That's how we use the custom scanners from the private Discord, private Banger Nation Discord. We look at what the volume and float is, and we can see that the float is very low at 719,000, but the issue here is that there's only 54,000 in volume, so there's even less volume. So this stock doesn't need a lot of volume, but it does need more than 54,000 to keep it pushing upward, and you can see that it's scarcely populated, if you will. All right, we can see that the price action is moving upward, but it's moving upward on light volume, and that's kind of scary. RSI is also on the relative uptrend, but only at a slight diagonal, if you will, only at a slight diagonal, and it could potentially reverse. So we'll see what happens. This doesn't look too safe at the point. This is Lulu's Fashion Lounge Holding. That's the ticker symbol. Folks, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. And make sure that you go ahead and take advantage of the 4-day trial for the private Discord community. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. You will have access to all the custom scanners, the market mover scanner, the breakout scanner. You will also have access to all the news features. We have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, entire news features, not just the title, the actual news itself, as well as short interest filings and other information that's important to critically ascertain what the quality of a particular ticker is as far as tradability is concerned. So go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for your 4-day trial for $9.99. If you've been on the fence, go ahead and do it, because these offers are not always going to be around. Right? I mean, this one's been around for a while, but, you know, we might have to switch things around. So go ahead. If you've been thinking about joining, do it now, okay? Do it now, because these offers will be changing or going away in their entirety. There's also a great offer to save money on the membership by joining the quarterly package, and it bills every 3 months, and there's a significant discount for joining that. Doubles, tell them about the social media. I'm going to get myself some water because I'm a little parched because I got that victory royale for the community, and it took a little something out of me, made me dehydrate a little bit, you know what I mean? A little dehydration. Hold on, Doubles, I'm going to give you the headset so you could talk to them about all the lovely social medias and the merch and all that other good stuff. Yes, sir.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue on with the stream, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share, because sharing is caring, ladies and gentlemen. Sharing is caring. And, of course, if you want access to our private Discord, link to join us in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment section, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of baggers a lot of times. We're just made different. And the early bird gets the cash, the moolah, the loot, the cashola, the big bucks, I tell you. And, of course, ladies and gentlemen, be sure to check out our wonderful merch store where we got all sorts of wonderful, wonderful things. We got T-shirts, we got hoodies, we got caps, we got lids, we got all sorts of cool things like that. We have tumblers, cup and handles, a.k.a. mugs. We have our mouse pads, stickers, all sorts of cool stuff like that. So be sure to check that out. Link to get that is in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment section. So be sure to check that out. And of course, be sure to check out our 4-day trial for the real-time alerts and scanners for only $9.99. Link to join us in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment section. So be sure to check that out as well, because we pick a lot of baggers a lot of times. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash right there. And of course, get our limited time offer right over here. Be sure to get our limited time offer for the 3-month deal, which is a discounted rate of $66.67 per month, charged quarterly. All right, for the membership right there. It is at a nice discounted rate right there for a limited time only while supplies last. So be sure to check that out, because hey, you never know, we might have to change things up. And like Coach said before, you know, it's a limited time deal, so we'll see what happens there. But Ladies and gentlemen, also be sure to check us out on our YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney, where we do all sorts of stock reviews, stock analysis, long form videos, short form videos, lots of live streams. Of course, we do lots of funny videos, entertaining videos, informative videos, and of course motivational videos and shorts over on our YouTube channel. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to check us out on our X.com, aka Twitter, at CoachNickMoney, where we do all sorts of live streaming stock reviews and stock analysis. We do all that cool stuff right there. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to check us out on our Twitch at CoachNickMoney, where we do all sorts of live streaming. So be sure to check that out as well. Be sure to check us out on our Facebook at CoachNickMoney, where we do lots of stock reviews, stock analysis, and of course live streaming there as well. And of course, check us out on our TikTok, Tiki-Taki, aka the Tac. Yes, you can find us there at DBLNicks, at DBLNicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. You can find us on our Instagram and our threads as well at CoachNickMoney, where we do all sorts of stock reviews and stock analysis there as well. So again, be sure to check us out there. Be sure to check it out, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we got going on right there. That is what we got going on. Okay, that's Coach.
Let's get it.
Yes.
Let's get it going. Let's go. We're still moving and grooving. Let's go back to ADVB. Let's go to ADVB real quick, see what's going on with it. ADVB, VB. All right, it's trying to curl, doubles. It's trying to curl, I tell you. It's trying to curl. Let's see what happens with ADVB. The stock is moving because it announced that it delivered its notice to terminate its purchase agreement with Helena Global Investment Opportunities, and it is curling on up. And when we look at it over here, we can see that it's a 1 million float stock, low float, high volume 36 million, up currently 49.50%. Resistance will be at the volume weighted average at $7.86. And I think it's time for new skin, bruh. I think it's time for poison ivy. Poison ivy. Let's go, baby. Woo! Captain Kirk would have a wonderful time chatting with you, Poison Ivy, you little...
Meanwhile, we look at Captain Kirk, he's like, look, man, all I'm saying is everything I like is green. I like green.
I like
green.
money.
Yodi
I
green.
like grass. I like trees. I like Poison Ivy. No, I don't.
Money green.
Money green. Money green. Money. Look, Poison Ivy's pouring out the green money. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, doubles. I think it's time to go ahead and get a victory royale for the community again. Another one. I think so. What do you think, doubles? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
So wait, is it like interchangeable? So like, is it like a victory royale or a battle bus victory royale?
It's a victory royale, bro. It's just whether you get it as a victory royale or a battle bus victory.
I mean,
it's a win.
Is the battle bus or the victory, like, are they interchangeable or?
They're part. Yeah. What do you mean? Like, are they wins? Yeah, they're considered wins.
No. I mean, like, are there times where it's like just you have a chance of the battle bus coming out?
Yeah, it's random, bro.
It's either or. Okay.
It's random. It's random. You don't know what it's gonna do. You don't know. You know. You don't know. I don't know. I wanna like master another Sprite, bro. Another Sprite. This is the gold water Sprite. It replenishes you replenish yourself in the water. How about this fellow? What's this guy? Galaxy Fire Sprite. Galaxy Fire Sprite. What's this guy? A holofoil Fire Sprite. You know what I mean? We got all kinds of Sprites over here, bro. All kinds of them. All kinds of Sprites, I tell you. All kinds of them. What does this guy do? This is a Galaxy Dream Strike. Grants a random item at each level, exploding with legendary loot. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. All right. What does this guy do? Sprat dust. Maybe I get this one. I gotta get this guy a crown, bro. I gotta get him a crown, bro. This is my favorite Sprite right here. Vinny Jr. Actually, you know which one's really a good one? The one that I had. This one right here. This is a great Sprite. Increased sprinting. This one's probably the best right here, I would say. Out of all of them, I would say it's probably this one. What does this one do? Enemy player foot trails are visible in the world for your squad. What about this one? Galaxy Air Sprite. Increase sprinting speed and sprinting. Oh, it's the same thing, bro.
Only Galaxy can give more.
Oh,
By the way, I should probably tell you
I'm gonna
something I
take.
found out.
I'm gonna take this one, bro.
Rush.
Yeah. Yes. What's up, Doubles?
Something I told you that you should probably find out.
What, Doubles? What? Talk to me. Talk to me, Doubles.
So,
Talk to me,
you know how
Doubles.
you have the,
Oh, wait a minute. ZYBT moving.
oh my,
Moving. ZYBT.
ZYBT.
Moving.
Moving.
Testing the high of day. Testing. Is this the high of day? $3.75. Cents. 436. 6.
Wait, what?
Oh my
What are you
goodness.
talking
436%, bro. And it's now testing the $3.80 mark, I think, bro. $3.80. Oh, migration. It looks like it's halted, bro.
At $3 and what cents? 80 cents?
Well, that's the resistance level, $3.80. It's currently $3.75. It's up 436%, and resistance is $3.80, and it's currently $3.75. But it looks like it's halted. It's halted. You know what I mean, Doubles? It's halted.
Oh.
Yeah, like that, bro. Like that, bro. So we'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on that one. We'll keep an eye on ADVB. We'll keep an eye on all of them. Why not? Why not?
ADVB.
Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? All right, let's go ahead, Doubles. We've equipped it. We've equipped the Sprite. Let's go get the Sprite activated. Activated. We're at 18% win ratio in build, bro. We're trying to get over 20%. We're going to get over. We're going to get above 20%, bro. I was motivated yesterday. I played with some high quality players, NASA and Aaron and our boy Smack, bro. They motivated me, bro. They motivated me because they're like high level fellas. You know what I mean? Look at this guy. Stop it. Don't be a creep, bro. Stop stalking. We need stalking laws in Fortnite because these creeps will come up to your Djibouti, and check out your Sprite. They don't understand the concept of private space. Get away from my Djibouti. Away from the Djibouti, okay? Away. Get away. Leave me alone. I don't want you near my Djibouti. Look at this guy, bro. Still coming at me, bro. Get away from my Djibouti, bro. Bro, you're not my type. You ugly. You fugly, bro. You fugly. Come on now. Ain't my type, son. Come on now. Can't have an ugly fella like you. Get away. Get away. Get away, bro. Come on. I don't like you. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I don't want you near me, bro. What the heck is going on with these people, bro? They cray, bro. Right, Doubles? Cray, bro. Cray. All right, time to get a victory royale for the community. Locking in, bro. Gonna lock in, bro. Gotta get a victory royale for the community. I tell you, a victory royale for the community. We're watching ZYBT needs to break resistance at $3.80. Sensa. Doubles, did I mention Sensa? Sensa. Yummy. That cough is yummy. I have a feeling this guy's chasing me, bro. Somebody's following me. He is, bro. Bro, this idiot is following me. You believe that? Bro, this idiot is chasing me. Do you believe it, bro? He's trying to get my Sprite, bro. Do you believe this idiot? What a dumbass. What a dumbass! Where you at, bum? Where you at, you bum? Where you at? You know what? I'm just gonna go over here. Bye, fool. Bye, fool. Bye, fool. Big dummy. You big dummy. Right? Alright.
Here's what I need from you. You know what to do.
Alright, let's go with this. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy an extractor, and he ain't getting it. How about that, bro? Even if he beats me, he ain't getting it. I'm gonna buy an extractor, my buddy. You feel me, Doubles? I'm gonna buy an extractor, son. And we're gonna extract this fellow. We're gonna extract him. Right, Doubles? Oh no! Bro! Why is my map on? What's going on? He followed me and oh my god, dude. He did it. He chased me.
Wait, where's your...
Oh my god, dude, this guy chased me, bro.
So why's your map not...
I don't know, dude. My map froze on me, bro.
And then it unfroze when it killed you?
Yep. That was weird, dude.
That's very odd.
Bro, what is going on, bro? Nah, man, something went wrong here, bro. Look at this creep, bro. What a creep. What an absolute creep, dude. Ugh. Let's see what happened there. That was not right, bro. Something was not right. And I was going for the extractor too, bro. You saw that, right, Doubles?
Yep.
Oh man, bro, that's horrible, dude. Oh man, that annoys me. That annoys me. There should be laws against stalking like that on the Fortnite map. No! Doubles, what a creep, right? Doubles, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Oh, okay, yeah. So there is a bug, apparently.
That's what happened, right? There's a bug. My map froze. I couldn't get out of the map, bro.
Yeah, no, it's a bug. Yeah.
What a creep, bro. What a creep.
So basically, the map freezing during an attack is like, yeah, that's a thing.
Is it a bug or
bug.
or is it a cheat?
It's a bug.
Yeah? Bro, look at this idiot. Agent Mikey 10. You are a creep, bro. What a creep, dude. Is that his name? No, that's not his name.
Trash Panda, that was his name.
Was it Crash Panda?
Trash Panda.
Trash. Oh, yeah.
He is trash.
What a great name. That name sounds perfect. Trash Panda. Where's he at? Where is this dummy? This big, ugly dummy. You big, ugly dummy. Where you at? Where you at, you big, ugly dummy? Casey wants us to check out LBGL. Let's go check it out. Hold on. I'm going to pause this and check out the stock real quick. Let's check it out. LGBL. LBGL. Wait a minute. LBGJ. That's the one. Oh, not too good, bro. Don't look too good at all, my friend. It's selling off. It's consolidating under the VWAP. It needs to break the VWAP at $2 at 46 cents. It's got to get above 46 cents. Right over here is the volume weighted average right there. Oh, wrong one. Let's try that again. Let's try it again. We want to get this one. That's what we meant. All right, so 46 cents is the volume weighted average. The price action is below it, so it needs to break over it. You can see that it's oversold, so it's going to need volume to move upward. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so we have some key levels of support and resistance. Support is obviously right at the level that it's currently at 21 cents, but resistance is going to be the VWAP at 46 cents, and then if it can get up to beyond that 46 cent, the next resistance would be roughly at around 50 cents. It needs volume. It's going to need volume. The RSI is very, very much oversold, so it will need some kind of a catalyst to push it along. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Let me see what the size of the float and volume is for ticker symbol LBGJ. Let's take a look at it. LBGJ. Let's take a look at it. What is the float? The float on this stock is 3 million, which is good, but it had 68 million in volume, so it had a lot of volume, but it looks like a lot of the volume was shorting the stock, so it's down currently 90%. It really took a shellacking, an absolute shellacking. So kind of a risky play. Hope you make money with it, but it definitely on the risky side, I would say. Right, Doubles? I would say. What was this guy's name? Trash?
Trash Panda.
This guy right here. What a creep, dude. What a creep, bro.
He is.
What a creep, bro. Look at him. He's like harassing me in the lobby. He wouldn't stop, dude. The guy wouldn't stop, bro. Look at him. Look at him. Stalking me, bro. Stalker, bro. Look at him. Just a straight up stalker, bro.
Being such a loser that you actually
Bro, a loser, bro. Big time loser. Let's go to ZYBT. It is moving. It has resumed. ZYBT. Let's take a look at it. Resumption. Doubles, new high a day. $4.10. Up 487%.
ZYBT.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Moving. Halt it up. Halt it up. Let's go. 487% in a halt position. It's in blue sky territory now. It has never been this high price-wise, so it is in blue skies. Risky, though. Look at these spaces. This is going to be a rough ride up, but it has been moving upward. We will keep an eye on it. The stock is now up almost 500%. Almost 500%. We can see on the custom scanners a 4 million float stock, 134 million in volume. We're using the custom scanners from our private Discord community, the Banger Nation Discord community. Get all of the access to the different scanners. Get all the access to all the news features, research features, filing features, and much, much more, and a great educational content, as well as an amazing community with a 4-day trial for $9.99. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 900, folks. Let's get to 900, folks. All right, let's see what's going on with this dummy, this big dummy. What was his name again? Trash? Trash.
Yeah.
Trash. Emphasis on trash. Where is he, bro? Where is this guy, bro? Where is he, bro? Let's get off the island first things first. Let's get off this Spawn Island, you know? Let's get off Spawn Island first. See what this idiot did. This big dummy. He's a big dummy, bro. I'm salty, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm salty, son. Where is Trash? Come on, Trash. Bruh, what's going on with Trash? Why is he not around? Come on. Come on. There he is. There's Trash right there. You big... Look at him, bro. Look, bro. This is Trash, bro. He spun around, dude. Bro, he spun around to come to me. You believe it, bro? He spun around to come to me, bro. Look at that. I was right there. I launched away, bro. Look, I launched away. He didn't even have a gun, bro. He got a gun at the last minute, bro. My map froze on me, and he got away with it, bro. Do you believe this? He didn't even have a gun, bro.
Don't worry, he'll probably collapse.
Bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this guy, bro. Where did he didn't even have a gun. He got the gun right here, bro. He got the freaking gun right there. Do you believe it, bro? And my game froze, dude. My game froze. I couldn't move. Man, that is so annoying. The stalker did that to me, bro. Bruh! And he's got a dog? Yo, I bet you mistreat that dog. Call the PTA, bro. Call the PTA on him, bro. The Association for Doggos, bro. The PTA.
What?
Yeah, the Pet Association, bro. The PTA. Pet Treacherous Association. He's treacherous to the pet. Come on now. Come on now. Somebody eliminate this fool. He's evil. Evil, I tell you. I know, but I'm so annoyed right now. Doubles, I'm annoyed, bro. I'll be honest with you, I'm annoyed, bro. That was really annoying, bro. Anyway, alright. We're gonna watch the stocks right now. Too close to the end of the game right now. Too close to power hour, if you will. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to lobby. We're gonna go back to lobby. Go back to lobby. Let's go back to lobby. I don't know. Let's take a look at some stocks, doubles. I don't know. I'm a little annoyed. Let's take a look at GMM. Let's take a look at GMM while we're waiting to see what happens with ZYBT. Up almost 500%. I tell you. Let's take a look at ticker symbol GMM. GMM. All right. So this stock has had an 8x rotation of volume to float. It just jumped up to 12x because now the number is no longer 16. The number is now 24. So it's 24 over 2. So 24 over 2. We got a 12x, but it double topped. So it broke out of the pennant that we had formed, but now it has formed a double top bear pattern. This is a bear reversal pattern. It is still respecting the VWAP. The volume weighted average is at $3.82. Graffiti pencil activated. It needs to hold above that, and we need to see what happens with the RSI. Does the RSI start to push upward? We are still 6 minutes away from the power hour, so we're going to be keeping an eye on the volume candles as well to see if the volume candles start to push up. Let's take a look at ticker symbol CIFG, CIFG, and that is also an ETF, so nothing really there to talk about, nothing there to really look at. Let's take a look at DFNS, this is T3 Defense. Looks like a merger type of situation whenever you see price action like that. Let's see. The company announced its subsidiary Industrial Technologic Solutions has designed and delivered a custom composite material product line to an Israeli building material maker. So that's not it. It's not any kind of a merger type of situation, but the price action just moved up ever so slightly and then continued to consolidate. So yeah, that's a thing. Not really that interesting. Let's go to ADVB. Let's go to that one. Let's see what's going on to that one. ADVB is up 58%. It did break the volume weighted average. Can it hold the volume weighted average? And if it can, next resistance level would be around $8.50, psychological level, $8.50. The company announced it delivered its notice to terminate its purchase agreement with Helena Global Investment Opportunities, and that is ticker symbol ADVB. ADVB is currently above the VWAP. It broke the volume weighted average, and now the next resistance level would be at around $8.50, maybe even $8.25 on the low end. So that's the story with that particular ticker. Let's go back to ZYBT, which is in a halted type of a state right now. It is currently up 487%. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, and $4.10 is where the price action is at, and it is immediately halting into an upwards move. It's just shy of 500%, a very difficult stock to trade, but we called it for the community in the Discord earlier on before it had this parabolic move doubles. Yes, sir. So if you want to join the Discord community and check it out for yourself, get yourself a 4-day trial for $9.99. $9.99. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment as well. And let us know that you saw us on the stream. We love hearing that. We love hearing it. We got over 1,000 folks in the stream. I want to tell you, we love you very much. You guys are awesome. I hope you learned a lot from the charting and all the information that we've given you from the private Discord scanners and news features and much, much more. And I hope you had a bunch of laughs with us as well as we went on our journey of getting victory royales for the community, if you will. Folks, I want you to achieve your biggest dreams, goals, and aspiration. No dream is too big. Dream big. That's how life starts out. Dreaming big. Be inspirational to others. It don't hurt nothing, and it makes them feel good. And you know what? It makes you feel even better. So be good to other people and inspirational to others. Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? I call y'all indelibles, Banger Nation, because I want you to leave your mark. I want your mark to be unerasable, a.k.a. indelibles. Let's go, baby. Ha, ha. Like that, doubles. Like that, doubles. We are literally 2 minutes away from the power hour. We got the victory royale for the community, and then we got robbed by Stalker and the guy. But we're not going to stay on the negative. We're going to go on the positive, doubles. We're going to go on the positive, folks. We're going to go on the positive. Make sure you're constantly educating yourself, folks. Make sure you're constantly educating yourself. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power, folks. 150 million %. I am a big fan of education. It can change your latitude. All right, quick thing before we wrap up. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it is full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, pre-market scanners, after-hours scanners, float volume catalyst context built right in, and you'll see our ticker tape built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise, it's structure. If that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comments. And when you come in, let us know that you saw us on the stream. We love hearing that. We also have a limited time offer if you want to save a couple of dollars on the subscription membership. We have the quarterly package that's currently available. Again, it's a limited time offer and you get a nice discount on it. It bills every 3 months, and the link is in the description and in the pinned comment for that offer as well. And then of course, doubles, of course, we got merch. Go ahead and put the merch up there, will you? The link's in the description and in the pinned comment for the Banger Nation merch. Go ahead and represent the Banger Nation. 1 billion strong. I might be off by 1 or 2 folks, doubles, you know. I might be off by that much, you know. Soon to be 8 billion. 8 billion folks in the Banger Nation. So go ahead and click the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get yourself a hoodie, a t-shirt, a cap. Get yourself a mug. Get yourself a tumbler. Get yourself a mouse pad. Get yourself some stickers. Get yourself all kinds of good stuff. I'm telling you.
ZYBT is 544%.
ZYBT moving. 544%. Let's refresh this. Let's see what's going on, bro. Let's see what's going on here. Holy! $4.50. Parabolic. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. What a way to end the stream with another parabolic runner. Cha-cha-cha, baby. Cha-cha-cha. ZYBT currently up 544%. All right, folks. It's Coach Nick Money. And we love you very much. Thank you so much for being a part of our world. We'll be back at it tomorrow morning at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with Microcap Mornings with the one and only Indelible One.